Welcome back. I'm in topic 5, and the name of the topic is Back from the Brink. And just I have told you many things about it. It is about to conservation of, or to guard, or to protect of a bird, an ugly bird named as tent a stock. And it is the bird which is being is extincted from the world. And a woman named Purnima Devi Burman, she is being a guard or being a protector or conservationist. She is conserving the bird, and she has started a movement to conserve the bird. And in this movement, she has included the village to conserve the bird. And just I have taught you one paragraph of the topic, and just I'm going to start the second paragraph. And from like yeah, from a long orange pouch dangles loosely from its neck. And when you go through the picture, when you see the picture in the next page, simply we can understand there is a pouch in her neck which is hanging there, and there is no melody in its call. Its vocalization has been described as a grunting croak. Means when you talk about its sound, birds, many birds are simply known for their melody sound, but this bird doesn't have melody sound. It has very rough sound or coarse sound. Means not a nice sound. No, there is not much grace in its movement either. And when you talk about people at first didn't used to take care about its movement, and they didn't take uh, attention to save the bird. But nowadays many people are active to save it. Indeed, this stock gets its name adjutant, which refers to a military officer, from its stiff and awkward gait. And this word adjutant, just we are learning about the bird adjutant stock, and thus this name adjutant means simply military officer. And this name is because of the physical appearance of the bird and its gait. Gait means simply the way of walking. It is like an army or an army officer. Because of that, it has kept the name adjutant. Known locally as Hangrila, the Bengali word bone swallow. And they were considered unclean but valued as scavenger. Means when you talk about in Bengali, what is the name of the bird? It is locally called Hangrila, and it means simply, or the bird. It means simply the bird which swallow the dead or alive animals, small creatures. Animals means I want to say small creatures, and because of it, it is not considered as good bird. It is considered as ugly bird. It is considered as unclean, and it is valued as sweeper. So it is an ugly bird because of its habit to take the food. They were sometimes hunted for the use of their meat in folk medicine. And this bird is also hunted, or people simply kill the bird because of its useness. When you talk about in just village side, the meat of the animal, meat of the bird is simply used as a medical purpose. And because of this perspective, also it become it becomes the reason of the extinction. that is also the reason. Simply we have talked, there was a cutting piece of article previously we studied, and now also in this topic when we talk about the reason of its extinction, simply we can understand 3 or 4 reasons. First one, the medical purpose. People are using the meat of the bird for medical purpose. Second one, because of its ugly nature, people don't like the bird, and people don't take attention towards it. Third one, people are simply cutting the old trees, and old trees are the habitat of the bird. And the fifth one, also the wetland where such birds get their food are being destroyed, and because of that it is also being disappeared from the world. These are the reasons of the extinction of the bird. Yeah, just I have completed the paragraph. Just I'm going to start the next paragraph. Many hundreds of thousands of greater giants once congregated in enormous flocks from Pakistan to Cambodia. It is, I think, it means many, a number of birds gathered or assembled in Cambodia from Pakistan, and in Kolkata, an account put a few individuals on almost every house. Over the years, the widespread destruction of its wetlands habitat and the loss of its nest trees has led to a drastic fall in the number of the greater extant stock in India. And simply a person found the reason of the extinction of the bird, and just he found 2 reason. The first one is the people are cutting the old tree, and the second one is the people are simply uh, dis- destructing or just destroying its habitat, the wetland, and because of that the number of the bird is being decreased so much, so that it went from being one of the most common stock to the rarest. Although it is one of the best bird, but the number of this bird is being decreased because of the reason. By the 1990s, one estimate put the number of greater extant at a mere thousand, bringing it dangerously close to its extinction. And when you talk about the information of 1990s, or simply we can understand the number of the bird were only 1000, only 1000, and it is about to extinct, it is about to disappear from this world. uh, that much in this video. Just I will teach you in the next video. And again I want to tell you, be safe and try to learn the meanings well, which will help you to understand the topic.